Yes guys, what is happening? Welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're having a little mess about on the DC5 before it gets dark. It's like 7:10 now, so hopefully it doesn't get dark too quick. So yeah, we've got a couple of cheeky bits to fit to the DC5. Obviously I said anything we do, we're going to show you what's going on. So yeah, let's open the bonnet, let's talk in more action. And yeah, like, share, subscribe, all that madness, because it massively helps out the channel. So yeah, let's get on with it and let's show you what's going on today. So let's go. So let's show you what's got to be done. We've got quite a few sick things to put in, to be honest with you. I'm actually pretty excited for this one. So let's I think we should get started first, more than anything. So first thing we've got is the new braided line with a heat protectant on it, which goes to the matrix. So remember that pipe, that new one there. So we've had the new AEM fitting put on the end. So that bad boy is going to go on there. And then it's got to go on the bottom of there like so. So yeah, let's whack it on. So even more's got to actually come off. I didn't realise but this bracket here has got to come off. So it looks like 2 10 or 14 mils, I believe. Like one there, and then same on the other side. And then there's a heat shield bracket there, and another heat shield bracket there. Why did I drop the car if I needed to get under there still? God's sake. So yeah, I'm going to undo that. Then apparently that is a bit better, so see what I mean. Look how nice that looks. That looks wicked already, man. And so if all is well, move this wire out of the way here. If all is well, this should pop out now. Obviously it's caught under here, but it should be pulling out. There you go. So that's just a few bolts, easy as pie. Lovely. Right, and so the heat shield is held on by 4 bolts. So if you're looking at the top of the engine, so I've just removed 2, which were like just literally pretty simple. There's 2 on top of the engine, and there's 2 real close on the bottom where I believe it's like a fuel, like a vapor return. If you can see, it literally is a little pipe there, just where my finger is. There's a little like heat shield there as well, so I've literally put the bolts back in. But yeah, that is now out of the way. Look how much space that is. There's a lot more space there, so sweet. Yeah, what are you saying? You're saying with the cheeky light. Right, so this is just trial and error. I don't actually know if it's actually got to be like this, so I'm like putting it into place, but obviously we're not fixing anything into place. So heater matrix pipe goes off here, down there. I've got 2 jubilees here, then it's heat shrinked, so obviously it's not going to set on fire or anything, because it's obviously going to be really hot here. So obviously that's like that on that fitting. And then at the back, so the heater matrix goes off there. I don't know which orientation this one has got to go, so it's on the back of the engine, but I believe the manifold's going to come out, and then it's going to drop down like in this angle here. So I believe we might be alright. Obviously I don't know which way the downpipe's going or whatever. So yeah, that's on there for now. I'm obviously not going to do anything up just yet, but yeah, you can kind of get the idea. Right, and this is not going to be left like this, so I'm just like mocking it up just so I know where it's going to go. So this is going to be the fuel line, so obviously fuel line's going to pop on there. Where we at? So imagine this is the fuel line. My fingers. Right, so let's try this now. Yeah, so right, fuel line, so it's going to go off here. I believe it's going to be like a 90 degrees, so it's going to drop down, get as low as possible, and then we're going to like drop it like right between like the wiring for the gearbox, so it's right out the way, and then it's going to go under here, under this one, and then it's coming up right round the back. So it's gone under the steering rack, under the arms, and you can see it literally just poke out, it's literally next to the bulkhead slash steering rack. So yeah, just mocking that up. We are waiting on like heat shielding. I've ordered some just so it gives it that extra bit of protection. And we literally want everything as low down as possible. Right then, so the next naughty little mod is this. So this is our catch can. Obviously I said I wanted the best kit going. I said I wanted the best mods for the car. So yeah, we've got an RW catch, like a breather slash catch can. So yeah, look at this piece of artwork. So yeah, we're going to throw that in, and then among those we've got 2 AM lines. So reason we had the rocker cover done slash having this done was so it all tie in. Yeah, we got a couple tiny little bits of silver, so I thought, yeah, why not? Maybe, I don't know what you reckon, should we get it all black? Paint that black, maybe paint them, get them black, all stealth. But yeah, let's whack these bad boys on then. Can we just take a second? It's looking so good, you know, like honestly I'm so excited with this. So yeah, what we're gonna do, put the catch can in and then bolt these bad boys up to it. But look, man, woo. I told you, those saying that I was going to budget by doing it on the, obviously it's not the greatest thing doing it on the road, but look, we're making progress. Look, we got the cheeky light. Nothing's going to stop us, you know. So I said, even if it, the only thing that will stop us is the rain, which has been pissing down all day. So yeah, what you saying? Absolutely sick, or what? Oh man, I'm so buzzing with this. It's like, it's taking shape, guys, and hopefully you can see it at home from watching. But yeah, this is going to be mad when it's done, so make sure you subscribed if you're not, because it's going to be mad. So let's go. Then guys, so it's like 9 o'clock at night, it's getting late. I've kind of hit a little hurdle now where I can't really do too much. I need to find out if I've located everything in the right proper order, so I'm not going to be like strapping things down if it needs to be moved anyway. So everything's in place potentially. Pretty much now we're waiting on a new K-tuned fuel gauge, because the last one like burst, and I was like, obviously whilst we're going through all this effort, replace that. So then by the time that's here, I'll have some grease, we can put the injectors in, and then we can put most of the wiring back in, and yeah, hopefully by the time I've done all that, Dean at RW will have some more bits for me, and then which will mean more content for you, which means we're getting closer to the turbo actually being put in. And yeah, so hopefully next we could be talking like intercooler, radiator, get it plumbed up, maybe even get it started, just so we can run some oil through it. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this one as much as me, man, because I'm loving this. So yeah, right, I'll speak to you soon. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all that madness. We are getting there, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.